Hey, what's up everybody? Okay, so this is a quick intro to the video, and it's as you see on my title, it's all about removing oxidation on your molding, on your around your windows on your vehicle. It's using a solvent, so I suggest that this is done by somebody that's got some experience using chemicals, solvents, things like that. You've done things like this around the house, or use somebody that has experience with it. If you don't have experience with all this stuff, and I don't know, anything that you try out, you goof up, then maybe you don't want to do this. And make sure that it's a similar trim, molding, rubber, plastic, as what I'm showing on my vehicle. Don't try to do it on something that's chrome or a completely different finish, because I can't guarantee the results. This is specifically for like some sort of a plastic or rubber that you're using a solvent to remove this top layer of oxidation from weathering and being on the sun and stuff like that. And this is quick, it's permanent, and it works. I did it on my car. It's been fine for like over a week now since I've done it. And this is just something that I stumbled upon, and I want to share it with you because there's a lot of videos out there of people doing some really laborious things, and using magic erasers and using, I don't know, like rubber abrasives and all this stuff that just seems to take a really long time. And I've tried in the past, and I just came across doing this, and it's fast and it's quick. So off to the video. What's up everybody? Just wanted to make a quick video just to show a way that a way that I figured how to restore this trim. I don't know how well you can see how weathered this is. It gets pretty crappy. And I'm going to show you guys how you could fix this with this shit. Guess it's acetone. Just this and a paper towel. I'm going to show you guys how this comes out. But basically it comes out like this. I already did this one in the front, so we're going to get into it. Alright, so step one, you want to put your window down, and you want to mask off your paint and everything that's adjacent to this rubber plastic here that we're going to hit with the acetone. Because the acetone, what it's going to do is really, it's going to kind of melt this down, and as it melts it down, I already made the mistake on my other windows, is that rubs off and it's going to end up on your paint or on your glass, and it's going to be a real pain in the ass to remove. So mask it off, and then in this next step I'll show you guys how I use the acetone with just some shop paper towels or whatever you want to call this. So I'll show you in a sec. Alright, so here it is. What I'm doing is just taking a shop rag, and I'm just gonna dump some of this acetone on it. Not a whole lot, but enough to soak it really nicely, like a good amount like that, so it's not getting all over the place, just where you want it to be. And we're gonna do this now. You'll see that this acetone, as it's on this paper towel, how it really soaks up. All right, so you can see how I have it on here, and we're just gonna hit this. Just go back and forth, and you could already see what it's doing. There's the before and after. So look at what it's doing to the rag. Really rub this shit in there. And I'm just going horizontally left and right, because this is going to leave kind of like some streaks or something. So the more horizontal passes you do, the more it looks like it should. So I'm going to finish this up, and I'll let you guys see it. Alright, so here's what the rag is looking like from all the passes that I've done. And the last pass you want to do on this is really soak this and just go from end to end, because this is going to leave somewhat of a finish, and you just want to go in a horizontal direction. But look at how this looks like right now. It almost looks new again. So compare that with what it used to look like before at the beginning of this video, and there it is. You've got you've got a solution to make these trim pieces look new again. Bye-bye.